Dear viewers, today we are going to discuss parts of speech. Let me explain them in simple words. The words we speak are divided into different kinds or classes on the basis of their use. These words or classes are called parts of speech. They are 8 in number. 1. Noun. 2. Pronoun. 3. Verb. 4. Adjective. 5. Adverb. 6. Preposition. 7. Conjunction. 8. Interjection. 1. Noun. A noun is a naming word. It is used to name a person, place, thing or animal, etc. For example, boy, Ahmad, city, Lahore, apple, tea, cat, dog, etc. 2. Pronoun. A pronoun is a substituting word. It is a word that is used in place of a noun in order to avoid its repetition. For example, Ahmad reads in grade 9. He is an intelligent student. In the second sentence the noun he is used in place of the noun Ahmad. 3. Verb. A verb is an action word. It shows the action in a sentence. In other words, we can say that verb is a word that tells or asserts something about some person or thing. A verb may tell us 1. What a person or thing does, as Ahmad writes. 2. What is done to a person or thing, as the window is broken. 3. What a person or thing is, as the cat is dead. 4. Adjective. An adjective is a describing word. It is a word that describes or adds to the meaning of a noun or pronoun, or we can say that adjective is a word that modifies a noun or pronoun. For example, she is a clever girl. There is little time for preparation. In the above sentences, the words clever and little are adjectives because they add to the meaning of the nouns girl and time. 5. Adverb. Adverb is also a describing word. It is a word that describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. We can also describe an adjective as a word that adds to the meaning of or modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It tells us how, manner, where, place, or when, time, the verb, action, happens. For example, he speaks English well. The children ran upstairs. I meet him this morning. In the above examples the words well, upstairs, and this are adverbs. 6. Preposition. A preposition is a word used or placed before a noun or pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stands in regard to something else. For example, there is a cow in the field. He is fond of tea. We belong to the city. In these sentences the words in, of and to are prepositions. 7. Conjunction. A conjunction is a joining word. It is a word that joins words, phrases, or clauses such as and, or, but, so, as, since, because, etc. For example, I got late because I missed the bus. He has 1 daughter and 2 sons. I called him but he didn't respond. In these sentences, the words because, and but are conjunctions. 8. Interjection. An interjection is a word that expresses some sudden feelings or emotions. An interjection may express joy, as hurrah, huzzah; grief, as alas; surprise, as ha; what; approval, as bravo. Examples: hurrah, we won the match; alas, he is dead.